Some people who live in Oakland Park are cleaning up today.
One man getting over the shock of having his car picked up by winds, tossed around with him inside it. NBC6's Kim Winters live from Oakland Park, where many are cleaning up after the aftermath. Kim.
Yeah, that's right. Like you guys mentioned, there was that one very dramatic case where we saw that car get flipped over and tossed onto another car with the driver still inside. Now, I've spoken with neighbors in this community, and they say that the biggest issue that they've been dealing with has been down trees. If you take a look down the street here, this is Northeast 34th Court near 3rd Avenue. Almost every house has a large pile of branches and trees that have been cut down after falling on their roof or other property.
Hello.
The video is a bit shaky, but it shows a driver still inside his car after strong winds flipped it upside down. Eventually, he lets himself out.
I was in the car, bro.
This angle shows the aftermath. The car landed on the roof of another car.
This is unbelievable, bro.
That was the reality for one man who lives on Northeast 34th Court near 3rd Avenue in Oakland Park, where a tornado touched down Sunday night.
It was scary 2 minutes.
A few doors down, neighbor Jason Coley spent most of the day sawing and cleaning up the tree that fell on his roof Sunday night.
It's the one that fell on the roof. We just actually chopped it down.
Coley says he and his family took cover once they heard what he describes as howling winds.
We went in the hallway, ducked down. It was a bad experience. It was a loud whistle, and it just got faster and faster.
Then next door at Gary Gobin's house,
it was just like a whistling noise, and you could see it didn't have that normal look of a windstorm.
The gazebo that once sat in his backyard flew into another yard, snapped in half, then wrapped around a tree. But that's not the worst of it. In Tamarack, storms caused this gaping hole in the ceiling of one woman's bedroom on Northwest 62nd Avenue and 57th Street.
It just happened so fast in front of my eyes.
Now, no one was hurt in any of these instances. Neighbors also tell me that briefly they lost power sometime last night. For now, we're reporting live from Oakland Park. Kim Wynn, NBC6 News.